My name is Sharon Dorsey Jr. I'm from Jacksonville, Florida. My major is graphic design, and we're here to talk about the toaster oven. The toaster oven is used for toasty ovens such as toasting, baking, boiling, reheating, commonly used like roasting vegetables or baking small batch of cookies. The space it takes up the countertop without taking up too much space. Based on the simplest of toaster oven, you have different use for like toasting and baking. Advanced toasting ovens with additional features of conventional cooking, air frying, and digital controls. Electronically, average power use of a toaster oven is typically 1200 to 1800 watts. You can do so much things with a toaster oven that can bake, roll, toast, and more. Pizza stones, baking trays, attach. It's so much you can do, like versatile stuff. And the purpose of this function is the prime use of a toaster oven is to toast bread, but it also bake, broil, and reheat food, offering a convenient of quick cooking solutions. With this toaster oven, it's so special because like it give you like different options, what you can cook on it, advance your cooking and stuff, and like evenly it cooks by circulating hot air. Like just give you different like stuff to advance your cooking. You don't always have to cook on the oven and stuff like that. Just advance everything. You really can't cook like many things on it, but you cook what you want on it, and you can't like stuff everything in the toaster oven like you stuff in the regular oven, you know. So how do you clean the toaster oven? Toaster oven, you can remove crumbs, trays, non-sticky interior, and stuff like that. Make it simple, like, you know, it's just a regular toaster oven. Like, you don't have to make it hard for yourself, you know. Just maintain performance, cleaning, just make sure everything clean. So, you know, we get back to cooking, like, everything can be clean and fresh, and put new stuff on there to cook. It stored, it can be kept on the top counter shelf and already in the cabinet when it's not used, you know. And the common issues and how to fix it, you know, like power issues, like checking the plug, outlets, and oven cooking, like just cleaning, heating elements, ensure proper racks and placement. Medical problems refer to using a manual for common fixing and parts and replacements. So you can study a book, you know. So this is the Wolfgang Puck using care of air fryer and toaster oven, and we gonna explain how it works. So these are the knobs. These are the three different knobs of the air fryer and toaster oven. So this one is the temperature. The first one, you turn it, cut this on, you turn it to the right to cut it on. The timer. This is the temperature. This one is the functions. This one is called toaster oven, bake, boil, any one of these. You turn. And this one is the speed of it. This one is the speed. My bad, I'm sorry. But this one's the speed of it. Just turn it. You want it low, medium, or high. But when you're done, you turn all of these back. And do it like that. And this light right here is cut on, and you can see what you're cooking in here, you know, stuff like that. And this toaster oven, this light, you mean on, this off. When you turn this, me off. And you know, we was talking about just make sure you clean everything. Like right now, I know it's not clean, but you gotta make sure you clean everything, you know. The toasting oven, all that, you know, we gotta clean everything that's over there. And make sure everything's straight. This set, when I turn it one time, it's set to 450. So anything you cook, just leave for 20 minutes and it's gonna be okay, you know, just stuff like that. So if I will talk about a little bit more about it. So we'll talk about the dangers of it. The dangers of these air fryers that it should be around no children, because children can get hurt for real, and you don't want that hurting your children. Like it can't be near any metal and stuff like that. Yeah, it's metal now, but all this stuff is gonna be moved out of the way, stuff like that. But the hot air is like it all contains here and stuff like that. So you have like plastic around it, it can catch on fire, stuff like that, and you don't want your child be getting hurt or risking anything. You know, you have to put the proper stuff in the air fryer or toaster oven. And some more stuff about this toaster oven. The timer is controlled electronically to prevent the toaster oven from friction from running past 12 minutes. If a higher time is selected by the auto turn off after, it'll automatically turn off after 12 minutes to prevent the toaster from burning. We suggest only selecting a time between 5 and 10 minutes. The oven fan will remain running for approximately 1 minute after the auto shut off. So we can't have our oven, our toaster oven for too long because it'll burn up, and we don't want our toaster oven or our food to get overheated, to burn up so it could explode. We don't want that. So we need to watch what we cook or anything. So we gotta set it to approximately 12 minutes so we could, you know, do everything we need to prevent that and prevent any cautions, because the toaster oven is really dangerous and we don't need anything to happen to anybody. Don't use dishes y'all wash in the toaster oven because it can do some serious damage to the toaster oven. And please, I recommend to set the timer on right so anything won't explode or anything do no damage. Toaster oven, like stay around your toaster oven, you know? Like make sure nobody around it, you know? Just the food that's supposed to be in there, don't leave no extra baskets in there and none of that, because you leave extra baskets, I mean, it's just gonna be burning up everything that's in it, you know? So just make sure you set the right temperature, you know, do everything that's right, and make sure everything clean, you know? And I love this toaster oven because you can do so much stuff with it, everything, and I prefer everybody to use it because it's just advanced. It's an advanced thing. Like I had to stuff everything in the toaster, I mean in the oven, you know. And I really love this, and I really think I talked about this because everybody need to know it's other stuff out here instead of ovens and stuff. Like everything combined you could use, you know. Includes my Wolfgang Puck use of care of air toaster oven. And I thank y'all for listening and knowing the stuff and how to work the toaster oven and paying close attention to what my presentation is about. And I really thank you and appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for listening.